folks, probably not gonna do a real in-depth video tonight, but I am making the chili rellenos. So I got these in the broiler right now. I'm gonna roast that skin off there, peel them, stuff them with cheese. I'm making a sauce right now for that. So it's gonna be a little bit of roux, so it's butter and flour as our thickening agent. Turn it down just a hair. It'll burn our butter. All right. Into that butter. Let's let the rest of that melt just a hair. We're gonna add a little flour to it. Flour in there. There we go. Mix our flour into our butter. Let's put this back over the burner here. You want to cook your flour a little bit so it doesn't taste like raw flour. And then we're going to add some seasonings to this. Add a little agua and make us a nice little sauce here for our chili relleno. So into this here, we're going to add chili powder. A little bit of cumin. Not a lot of cumin, just a little bit of cumin and just a little bit of garlic. And 1 bouillon of chicken caldo. Start mixing all this up. Chicken bouillon is not going to break down until we add some water to this, but we'll go ahead and mix our spices in good here. And throw some water in here. Finish off our sauce. I'm probably going to add a little more chili powder once we get this going. We'll see what it looks like. There we go. Mix all this up good. And we're going to add some more chili powder to this. Turn it nice red color. So I'm going to bust all this roux you got on the bottom up. Bring it back together. As soon as it comes back together and gets hot, it's going to be like a sauce. Alright. I'm going to add some more chili powder now to turn this sauce red. There we go. I did bust up the chicken bouillon already, so that's busted. Keep shaking this good, and as soon as it gets hot, which is starting to, it's going to turn thick like a sauce. Starting to thicken up already. And you can see it's starting to get thick pretty quick. Nice brown, reddish brown sauce. And that's going to go over the top of our chili relleno that we're about to make. That's looking perfect. Alright, let's see how these Poblanos chilies looking. Alright, they're blistering good, so we need to go ahead and turn them over. I just got the broiler turned on, blistering them all the way around, and we're going to peel the skin off. I'll show you that part. Go. See a nice blister in there. That's what we're looking for. So go ahead and flip these over. Alright, folks, that's a beautiful sauce. You can use this sauce as an enchilada sauce. A lot of things you can use this sauce for, but this will be the sauce for our chili relleno tonight. Very simple sauce to make, and now you know how to make it. Just a few ingredients. Away you go. Alright, just pulled these out of the oven. They're super hot. You see how the skin's all blistered? So what we're going to do is we need to steam these. So I got a pot with a lid here. All we're going to do, take these chili peppers, throw them off in this pot, like so. Put the lid on it. See that steam coming up, and that'll help pull the rest of the skin all up and off there. Alright folks, we're going to make the egg batter here. And I got in here some salt, some pepper, or not pepper, salt, garlic, salt, flour, and put an egg in there, and a little bit of olive oil here. So this is going to be our egg batter for our relleno. So I went ahead and added one more egg. That's the right consistency I need. So our egg batter is ready. Just took the top off these, and what that does is allows that sweating of it allows that skin to just pull right off there like so. You got a nice, beautiful chili. All right, well there we go. We got our poblano peppers all peeled there, of skin, roasted. And we're going to dust these in some plain flour before we dip them into our egg wash, our egg batter. That way the egg batter will actually stick to them. If you just put the poblano directly in there, it won't stick to it. So we want it to stick. So go ahead and pat that down good, and we'll do the other side next. Get ready to fry these. Oh, we got to stuff them and fry them. I always do this part before I stuff them. That way I get everything nice and coated. If you try to stuff them first, some of the stuff don't get coated, your batter falls off. That's why I'm doing it first. All right, next step is stuffing these peppers with this Mexican style 4-cheese blend. So we'll do that next. All right, so just dip these in the egg batter. Let that set for a second. I'm heating my grease up here. Just a little vegetable oil, and we're gonna pan fry these, sauce them up, and eat them. Ooh, them are looking good. I just put them over for that first time. We're getting close on these. We're gonna pull them off, sauce them, and I'll show you what we're gonna do next. It takes about 2-3 minutes per side. Flip them, good to go. Ooh, them are looking and smelling delicious. Got a nice little char on the side there. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, these are stuffed with the cheese. The cheese is hot and melted. Now we're gonna take this paper towel off. I went ahead and put them on a paper towel so we don't get any extra grease. We're gonna pop this paper towel from underneath here, like so. Come on, get out of there. I'm gonna put a sauce right on top, a little cheese, pop them in the oven, melt that cheese, and we're good and ready to eat. Ooh, there we go. Look at that beautifulness, folks. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. All right, let's pop these on the broiler for a second, and we're ready to eat. Right, there we go, folks. About a minute on the broiler. Cheese is melted. Let's plate this up and eat. And there we go, folks. Nice, beautiful meal. It's not simple to make. It does take a long time to make, but it is absolutely delicious. I don't make these too often because it has several steps, as you've seen. It can be a pain in the butt. So I did not make any sides and all for this. Just this. This is dinner tonight, and that's it. No rice, no beans. Too much. There we go, folks. Make this at your house. They're absolutely delicious. You will not be disappointed. See you next time.
I'm the funny one, Dad. I don't recall there being a terrorist in our family, but then again, I don't know.
There we go. Look at that cheesy goodness.
Darius was voted the funniest salesman at the Chrysler dealership. The kid with it. The kid should have dodged.